Good morning. Welcome to MBDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Please subscribe this channel and share this video in your friend circle. Today I am going to start trigonometry. In your book there are two lessons related to trigonometry. Lesson 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, and Lesson 9, Some Applications of Trigonometry. Now I am starting exercise 8.1, but before starting exercise, let us discuss about some terms and formula of trigonometry. Okay. Trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word tri, gon and metri. Metron. Three words: tri, gon and metron. This three word. Tri means three. Gon means sides. And metron means measure. Okay. Three sides measure. According to this Greek word, tri, gon and metron, the definition of trigonometry is: trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that study relationship between the sides and angles of triangles. Okay. In this lesson, means lesson 8 and lesson 9, in these lessons, lesson 8 and lesson 9, we will study some ratio of the sides of a right angular triangle with respect to its acute angles. Now first I write definition of trigonometry. Okay. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationship between the sides and angles of triangles. Okay, now right angled triangle. The other name is only right triangle. Okay, a triangle in which one of the angles measures 90 degree is called a right triangle. Okay, in right triangle, the opposite side to the right angle is called hypotenuse. In figure, suppose ABC is a right triangle and angle V is 90 degree. Okay, so the opposite side of 90 degree is hypotenuse. Okay, the and suppose for angle C, AB is perpendicular and BC is base, but for angle A, BC is perpendicular and AB is base. It is depend upon your angle. Okay, in with Pythagoras theorem, P square plus B square is equal to H square, where P is perpendicular B is base and H is stand for hypotenuse. Okay, now the other topic, because in this right angle triangle, the measure of angle A and angle C is less than 90 degree. It means that angles A and C is acute angle. Okay, acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Okay, next topic, trigonometric ratio. और T ratios of an acute angle of a right triangle. Let triangle ABC is a right triangle. Okay, and angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle BAC is equal to theta, which is acute angle. Okay, according to this figure, A, B, C, this is 90 degree, this is theta. Okay, so for theta, CB, side CB is perpendicular, BA is base, and CA is hypotenuse. Always remember, the opposite side of 90 degrees hypotenuse. In other hand, I can say the longest side of any right triangle is hypotenuse. The longest side of any right angle is hypotenuse. Okay, but perpendicular and base is change according to the theta. If theta is angle C, then in front of C, opposite side of C is perpendicular and other side is base. Okay, the first formula, sin sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, and is written as only sin, sin theta. Okay, second, cosine theta is equal to b by h and is written as cos theta. Third, tangent theta is equal to p by b, perpendicular by base, and is written as tan theta. 4, cosine theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular and is written as cosec theta. 5, secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by base and is written as sec theta. 6, cotangent theta is equal to b by p, base by perpendicular, and is written as cot theta. Other formula: sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Second, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Next, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Next, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Next, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Next, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Always remember, sin theta to the power 2 is equal to sin square theta. Okay. Similarly, cos theta to the power whole square is equal to cos square theta. Sin theta to the power 3 is equal to sin cube theta, etc. Same pattern. Okay. Now exercise 8.1. Question number 1. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. AB is equal to 24 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Okay. Solution. Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Angle B, right angle at B. So I put A and B the other angle. Okay. Now AB is equal to 24 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So first I find the length of AB. According to Pythagoras theorem, here in this triangle AB is hypotenuse. Okay. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to C. This is C. AC is equal to AB square जोड़ BC square. The implies AC is equal to root under AB square जोड़ BC square is equal to root under AB is equal to 24. So 24 to the whole square plus 7 to the whole square is equal to 24 to the whole square is equal to 576 plus 7 square is equal to 749 is equal to root under 9 6 15 7 4 11 1 12 5 1 6 625. The root of 625 is equal to 25. Okay. Therefore AC is equal to 25 centimeter. Now question 1, sin A. First we find sin A and then sin the cos A. Okay. Sin A is equal to, we know that according to formula sin theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to. Now in figure, for angle A, okay, perpendicular is BC. Okay, and AB is base. Okay, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then perpendicular BC, okay, and hypotenuse AC is equal to BC by AC is equal to BC is equal to 7 and AC is equal to 25. Next, cos A. Cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse. For angle A, base is equal to AB. AB by AC. AB is equal to 24, AC is equal to 25. Answer. The next question 2. Sin C. For sin C is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. For C, angle C, perpendicular is AB. Hypotenuse is same, is equal to 24 by 25. Cos C is equal to base by hypotenuse. For angle C, base is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is have no change. Hypotenuse has no changing. BC is equal to 7. AC is equal to 25. Answer. Here you can also write by Pythagoras theorem. Now I am giving one question for your practice. Okay, question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 5 cm and BC is equal to 12 cm. Find the value of sin A, sec A, sin C and sec C. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Good night.